The shoulder stretch we will now go over is for one side of the upper half of your trapezius muscle. I call it the unilateral upper trapezius stretch. If you don't know, then let me tell you, the trapezius muscle is one of two blanket muscles of the back, and this particular muscle goes from the base of your skull, which is known as the occiput, out to the lateral aspect of the shoulder, down to the base of your thoracic vertebrae, so right by the end of the ribs, and it covering this whole area makes it really hard to stretch in one shot. So instead, what I'm going to do is break it up into pieces, and today we will only focus on one piece. We'll focus on the upper traps since it directly relates to your shoulder. I mean, ask any guy who does shoulder shrugs at the gym. They include this muscle in their shoulder day workouts for sure. This particular stretch will also stretch some neck muscles at the same time, since these muscles work together to create fluid movement in our bodies. Now, to start the stretch, take one side of the arm and reach it around your back. So I'm going to take my right hand, reach it around my back, just like this. Hold it in place and keep it there. Now, as you do that, what I'm going to have you do is take your chin and point it to the opposite side of the shoulder that you want to stretch. Now, get to the end range of motion here and breathe. You should begin to feel it from here, the occiput area, coming all the way down the area of the trap and stretching right there. Now just make sure you hold and you breathe. Now, let's return to center. Bring the arm back in front of you on that side, and let's switch to the other side. Now, I am going to take my left arm. I'm going to bring it back behind me, just like so. And now, I'm going to bring my chin to the other side. And I'm going to hold. And I'll breathe. And that is how you stretch the upper trapezius.